Racing just is started. We have Coquette. Break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside. Now is John Zandiora in the middle portion. Stormbreaker. Then next online is Boyo. And this run then followed by Golden Rhythm Citrus, Admiral Raymond Star, Royal Scepter, while B. Cool is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Coquette by about half length. Stormbreaker in second, racing in third. Now is Johnson Dior. Boyo is down in fourth, then followed by Golden Rhythm. And on the outside comes Andy's Ram, Citrus, Admiral, Royal Scepter, Raymond Star, while Be Cool is still racing and less back to the leader. We have John Zandior takes command by about half length. And on the outside second is Coquette coming closer. Now in third is Golden Rhythm. Moving up on the outside, Boyo Stormbreaker comes next. And this Ram Citrus Admiral, then followed by Royal Scepter, Raymond Star, while Be Cool is still racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. We have John Zandior followed by Coquette. Moving up on the outside now is Boyo. Golden Rhythm is down on the inside with about 150 meters more to run. Chance Dior moving up on the outside now is Boyo. Golden Rhythm is down on the inside. Chance Dior, Golden Rhythm, and finally it's Chance Dior. Golden Rhythm, Boyo close between Raymond Star and Coquette. Then comes Andy's Ram.
Kapras dun sa dehadong